Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable code execution with Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do once you're on the dashboard, here on the left-hand side, click on Chat, and here on the right-hand panel, I want you to scroll down until you see Tools, and then click on this down arrow. And what we're interested in is code execution. Go ahead and toggle this on, and now we're able to use things like Python code in a secure sandbox environment. If I put in a prompt like this one, for example, click on Run. This is a calculation example that I have right here. And as you can see, it has the executable code and it's running the Python and it has our result. The standard deviation is right here, as you can see. So this was a mathematical one. I'll give another one as well. So let me show you this one. This one is more to do with logical processing. So I'll hit run. So right here, I have asked it to go ahead and, okay, there we go. So give me the names that start with a vowel only. So Alice and Eve. So here is the executable code. Really that easy, and that is how to enable code execution with a Google AI Studio.